In the video you are about to watch, the assembly of a closed-loop directional control valve will also be demonstrated. First, the protective caps on the valve are removed. The fitting attached to the pump line is removed. The fitting is then disassembled for inspection. The internal circlip on the valve front cover is removed. Air is supplied through the quick-release line to release the cover from its seat. The internal circlip on the rear cover is removed. The rear cover is also removed by applying air through the quick-release line. The valve shaft is secured with an open-end wrench, and the bolt holding the pneumatic seal in the rear pneumatic section is removed. The shaft and pneumatic seal are disassembled with the help of a screwdriver. The pressure adjustment fitting is removed. Only the manufacturer can perform the pressure adjustment. Thank you for watching.